while these are the positives that can possibly come, but what is actually in the price, right? And for us also, it's very important when we're looking at picking stocks. So most of these themes would mostly be known by the market, and chances are they some of these stocks or sectors would have done well. For example, if you were to just look at how consumer staples have turned out post elections, it is, they have had a one way rally. Most of the consumer staples, which have been laggards for quite some time, for 3 years in fact. So some of these inputs are pricing. So it is very important for us to fix valuations as a key driver of us picking stocks, right? So valuation in the broader indices, in the frontline indices, BSE Sensex, if you look, it remains tad bit higher than what has been historical. But there is something. There is an issue with this particular chart, and the issue is like in the past 2 years, some of the public sector banks, some of these government uh, companies have made tremendous profits. It is almost the profits are decadal high, and when you bake that in computing your trailing 12-month multiples, because the base is so big, even though valuations have run up, so your multiples may not show the actual picture. When you assumed a normalized earnings, the multiples might be a bit higher than what we see. So valuation in our minds are not cheap at the moment, and the situation could be more worse in some of the broader indices.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.